What's up, logical people? This is Amar. Let's solve a very tricky interview riddle based on logic. A mysterious village has 65 demons and just one man. The man is always sleeping, he will never wake up. A demon can eat the sleeping man, but subsequently the demon will fall asleep. So now this demon will be sleeping forever. Knowing the fact that the sleeping demon would never wake up, any other demon can eat the sleeping demon to satisfy his hunger. But again, the eater demon will fall asleep. And this sleeping demon can now be eaten by any other demon. And so on. The demons are highly intelligent and logical. The demons are very hungry, so they want to eat any sleeping being, a human or a demon. But at the same time, the demons don't want to die. To stay alive is the highest priority of each demon. So the rule is that a demon would eat any sleeping being only if he is confident that his life will be safe even after he falls asleep. The question is, what would happen in the village? So you have to find out what would happen with the man and the demons. You can take a screenshot right now and share it on WhatsApp and other social accounts. Now pause the video and think logically. This problem requires a similar strategy as that of 5 Pirates riddle. By the way, I had posted 2 versions of the 5 Pirates riddle. In case if you have missed, the links are in the description. As usual, let's begin with a smaller number of demons, then generalize the approach and then solve for higher numbers. So consider the village has just one demon and the sleeping man. The demon in this case will confidently eat the sleeping man because there is no other demon to eat this demon after he falls asleep. Now consider there are just 2 demons and the sleeping man. In this case, no demon will eat the sleeping man. The reason is very obvious. If any demon eats the man, he will fall asleep, and the other demon will eat the sleeping demon. So no demon will dare to eat the sleeping man, and nothing will happen in the village. Now consider a case with 3 demons and the sleeping man. Now think from the perspective of a demon. This demon would think that if I eat the sleeping man, I will fall asleep. And the situation would become similar to the case with 2 demons and a sleeping being. And in this case, no demon will dare to eat the sleeping being because the other demon will eat him. This will be the perspective of all 3 demons. And whoever acts fast will get the chance to eat the sleeping man. So with 3 demons and the sleeping man, one demon will eat the man and fall asleep, and the other demons will not do anything afterwards. Now we are going to cover the most critical case with 4 demons and the sleeping man. Let's think from the perspective of one demon. He would think that if I eat the sleeping man, I will fall asleep, after which the situation would become similar to the case with 3 demons and a sleeping being. And in that case, one demon can eat the sleeping being and fall asleep. So the same way, any demon can eat me. So this demon would think, I have to be careful here and not risk my own life. So he will not eat the sleeping man. Each demon thinks the same way, and no one dares to eat the sleeping man, and hence nothing happens in the village. Let's quickly see a case with 5 demons. Each demon would think that if he eats the man, then the situation would become equivalent to the case with 4 demons and a sleeping being, where no demon eats the sleeping being and nothing happens in the village. The same way, this demon would not have any risk after he falls asleep, as nothing further will happen in the village. So in the case of 5 demons and the sleeping man, one demon will eat the man, and afterwards nothing will happen in the village. What we observe here is that if the demons are odd in number, then one of them eats the man and there will be no risk to his life further. But if the number of demons are even, then no one would dare to eat the man, and nothing will happen in the village. Since we have 65 demons, which is an odd number, we can conclude that any one demon who acts fast will get a chance to eat the sleeping man. Once the eater demon falls asleep, the count of wakeful demons would become an even number. And that's why no demon would eat the sleeping demon further. And this would be the final scenario of the village, and nothing happens afterwards. I'd like to remind you once again to check out the 5 pirates problem, as it's very similar to this problem, but it has its own way to the solution. Links are in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and share the video, and if you are new, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated with a new logic puzzle every week. Till then, give a try to these 2 versions of the pirates problem. Also check out tricky riddles on my channel, Logically Yours.